Hi everybody, welcome back to the Cycling Chiang Mai YouTube channel. Yesterday I was doing some interval training and boom, I snapped my gear cable in half. So I'm basically stuck now on my biggest gear. And I thought, okay, this is a good opportunity to show you guys where to go and service your bike here in Chiang Mai. So if you want to know the best place, follow me, let's go. Right, so the first thing you need to know about bike shops in Chiang Mai is that pretty much no one is open before 10 in the morning. So if you have a serious mechanical in your early morning ride, you're gonna have to wait. The shop that I'm heading to, it's in a very quiet residential area just outside of Chiang Mai Old Town. It's very convenient if you are traveling and staying in the city center. Here we are in the new bike shop. Sawadee Krap. All right.
Yeah.
Basic service and gear cable.
Okay.
Yeah, until there.
Okay.
We're gonna change the handlebar tape. It's about time. So we're gonna change the gear cable. Because it's been more than 1 year. Momo is the mechanic and owner of this new shop, the Bike King, and he used to be the mechanic at AxM, so he knows these bikes, the ins and out. Super pro. ทำงาน AxM กี่ปี
4 ปีครับ
4 ปี wow 4 years working with AxM.
Service as custom build
Nice.
เชียงใหม่
So you do service in Chiang Mai and you also build the bikes for the customers. ลูกค้ามีคนไทยแล้วคนฝรั่ง
ใช่
Speak ภาษาอังกฤษไหม
นิดหน่อย
นิดหน่อย Okay. Momo can speak a bit of English, so everybody's welcome here. Alright, so I'm gonna let Momo work and finish my bike. I'm gonna come back in a couple of hours. It should be working really smooth. I'm back in the bike shop. Let's see what Momo has done with my AxM. Here we have new bar tape. Gonna do a little test of the gears. Seems that I got a new bicycle, thanks to Momo. Right, ขอบคุณครับ It feels like a new bike. It's amazing what a bit of service can do to your bike. So I'm back with a fully serviced bike for around $15 of the life of the cables, especially the geared cables. When you park your bike, make sure it's on the small ring and in the smaller sprocket, so you don't get that tension from the derailleur into the cable, just to get a little bit of life, more life out of your gear cables.